Welcome to my channel. So today we will be talking about how to bag and store your milk. You start with washing your hands. This is a baby food and you don't want any bacteria going into your baby. Their stomach is still so young and you want to make sure that it stays very clean and hygiene on your hands. So I'm starting with my Lanisoh bag. This is how it comes, and to take it out you just remove the tip. It has like all these little ridges around it, so you take it all apart. When I first saw it I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna mess up the edges, but it's okay for you to take it all apart. You open it up like so, and it has the top part where you could put your time, your volume, your date and name. I'm not sure what the name means, maybe baby 1, baby 2, or left breast, right breast. And you take your expressed milk, and be careful, this is liquid gold. So this is like 3 ounces. Then you seal it. When you're sealing it, make sure you take out all the air. Seal very tight, because you don't want the milk spilling all out. So after labeling it, that's what you have. Nice sealed. You have 3 ounces and 1 6-ounce and another 3 ounce. So my baby currently do 3 ounces every 2 to 3 hours. So I'm slowly building my stash because I do nurse him direct. So these are my frozen ones that I have. I'm just gonna toss them in there. You're supposed to have them get frozen flat, so this is yet to get flat. And so that's how I store my breast milk, using the Lanisoh. Good luck mamas out there, you know, no pressure, because this breastfeeding thing is no joke. It sounds so glamorous, but it's tough. But my thing is, a fed baby is a fed baby. As long as you love them, they're fed, they're clean, that's all that matters. Stay tuned for more videos.